Kampongpit District hosts State Cabinet meeting today. Cabinet approves drafting of Manipur Lok Ayukta Bill 2018. Manipur Police celebrates 127th Rising Day. Chief Minister Naughton Bambiran urges police force not to trade moral values for money. Chief Minister Naughton Bambiran inaugurates Kampongpit Market New Kalhang today, lays foundation stone for various other projects. Speaker Yumnam Kamchan clarifies Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh RSS has nothing to do with prevailing issues of Manipur. And Manipur aromatic rice variant Jakhao now goes global under newly launched brand Jakhao. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The State Cabinet meeting was held in Kampongpit District headquarters today. The Cabinet meet gave a positive note for drafting Manipur Lok Ayukta Bill 2018. Addressing media after the Cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Naughton Bambiran affirmed Cabinet's approval for opening a subdivision office in Kampongpit District. He also intimated that Cabinet has resolved to instate one joint secretary level in State Food Commission for stricter checking of health hazardous consumer items. Among others, the Cabinet agreed to sign a memorandum of understanding with China to facilitate textile industry at Lamboy Khonangkong to direct purchase land for construction of Mori bypass, which has been pending over compensation, and to settle the disagreement over power purchase rate between the company and the government. Manipur Police today celebrated the 127th Rising Day at the parade ground of the 1st Manipur Rifles. Speaking on the occasion, the Manipur Chief Minister Naughton Bambiran expressed happiness at the existing enhanced ties between the police and the public. He appealed to the police to keep the state and nation ahead of everything while performing their duties and not to betray the trust of the public. The Chief Minister asserted that with the advent of the BJP-led state government, great changes are witnessed within the Manipur Police Force. Biren termed the terrorism mob lynching incident as unfortunate, for a police personnel failed to take up his responsibility and help the victim. He reiterated not to betray the trust of the public, but to safeguard them and prevent any untoward incidents. Citing the recent Manipur University crisis, Biren maintained that measures taken by the government were for maintaining the law and order situation of the state. He also mentioned that departmental inquiry is underway for the handcuffing incident of a jailed professor of Manipur University and assured of actions against those found guilty. The Chief Minister called on the police force to contribute in human service with high moral values and also urged them to be able to identify their opponents and fight with valor when situation demands.
The government is really proud of you. Nakoigi yamna people friendly oiba. Matamamada mina kina hangoina kina wordi phaba hangoina tukachana mayoramba. Adugi posak to last 1.5 years the law in a mang krakanda. Yamna people friendly oiba. Organization nama police force ma oirakpasia. Politician oijariba, minister MLA oijariba khoida. Adukimatik nungaiba phawi. Yeknaba kanano marup kanano Aigi praja kanano madu identify toguduni. Matam punamukta koi son se habinate. ବ୍ୟବହାର sibu son bani na logudamate. Humanity service sibu son bani nolok bani na logudamate. Aduna ikhoi yam saukthok chaningai oiba tanjala ure.
Delivering his message, Chief Minister Biren expressed disappointment that some personnel of the discipline force were involved in anti-social activities. He mentioned that some police traded 56 9mm pistol kept at 2nd Manipur Rifles Armed Court for money with underground outfits. Stating that NIA investigations are underway against the missing arms case, the Chief Minister said some arms were recovered and many will be recovered in due time. The Chief Minister appealed to the police force to keep their morals intact. The Chief Minister also assured of filling out adequate police forces as law and order situation rests in their hands.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯌꯦꯛꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯂꯝꯕꯥ ꯄꯥꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯥꯞꯀꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯗ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯖ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯐꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ 53ꯅꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯣꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯂꯥꯎꯕ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯂꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯦꯕ 9mm 53ꯁꯤ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯇꯨ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯜꯍꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯥꯏ ꯌꯧꯔꯅꯕ ꯁꯣꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯥꯏ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯟꯊꯔꯦ ꯀꯔꯥꯏ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯜ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯦꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯈꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯀꯧꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯔꯣꯔꯄꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯅꯥꯊꯩ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯥꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯆꯥꯛꯅꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯇꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯟ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ.
Taking part in the celebration, DGP of Manipur, LM Khauti, asserted that Manipur police is earnestly fighting various internal and external anti-social elements to maintain law and order in the state. He stated that the police force took care of various insurgent and anti-social elements since March last year, saving numerous lives in the process. LM Khauti highlighted that the police seized and destroyed an enormous amount of illegal drugs and apprehended many child and women abusers and gave them befitting punishments. He lauded the present government for improving the conditions of the police departments and appealed to the officials and personnel to cooperate in making the department public-friendly. The DGP paid floral tributes to the deceased brave Manipur police personnel on the occasion. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren inspected the parade of 23 contingents led by Assistant Director of Manipur Police Training College, Thaimei Gaipui Kabui, and also conferred awards for Best Battalion, Best Police Station, Best Police Officer, etc. Ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary of Manipur, top police and civil officers attended the event.
Manipur Police na lebak asida law and order maintain toduna santi thamnabagi responsibility asi puduna lagli amasung puduna lejakhi ne Manipur Police asi modern amasung people friendly oiba force ama oihanbada miyamna mating pangbiu police department asina Santi Purang Naba Hon Naba da Tawai Kathok Raba Atova Singbo Ningsing Baga Loinana Ikai Hum Naba Uchari Koi Koina Puriba Ito Sing Ningtina Pangtoktuna Miyam Praja Gi Seba Tobaga Loinana Santi Oiba Samasama Sembada Angamba Mateng Pang.
Manipur Police Department PRO in a press release informed that a blood donation camp was held at Banquet Hall of 1st Manipur Rifles in connection with the 127th Police Rising Day today. Around 150 personnel, including top officials of Manipur Police, donated blood in the camp. A powerful bomb exploded near Allahabad Bank, 600 kilometers away from Kampopi Police Station early this morning around 1:10 a.m. There is no report of casualty. However, a Maruti Swift car parked near the site was destroyed. The four-wheeler is registered under Palching Chong Hangshing, daughter of Chairman Kampopi Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council, Haukonglang Hangshing. No one has claimed responsibility for the blast so far. IGP I.K. Muiva in a press release notified medical examination for the waiting list candidates of Police Constable Male Civil 2016 will be held on October 22, 23 and 25 at 1st Manipur Rifles Drill Shed. The candidates are advised to report between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. with relevant documents. Delhi Police will be conducting a special recruitment drive to recruit qualified youth of the state in December. A notification issued by Chairman of the Recruitment Board for Manipur, Parvinder Singh, conveyed their interest. Interested individuals can get application forms for the recruitment from their respective district SP offices or from the help desk at 1st Manipur Rifles campus. Last date for form submission is October 31. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren has inaugurated newly constructed Kampopi, Kaitel, Nute Kalhang and also laid the foundation stones for various other projects today. Projects include transit accommodation for doctors posted at Kampokpi and Saiku, a 100-bedded hospital, and to be upgraded Ikomula KGBV. Speaking in the event held at IT Road Junction in Kampokpi district, Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren said district-level development committees will be formed to facilitate various projects in all the districts of the state. He urged the authorities concerned to complete the project for which foundation stones were laid today by February 2019. Chief Minister Biren appealed to stop the habit of calling bond and blockade to press any demands. He also instructed relevant authorities to nab the culprits involved in the bomb blast that occurred in the wee hours today at Kampokpi Market within a week. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Works Minister T.H. Biswasit, and Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen attended the event. Cultural performances highlighted the event. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khamchan has clarified that Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh (RSS) has nothing to do with prevailing issues of Manipur. He was speaking at the inaugurant of Mataji Dental Clinic at the first floor of Krishna Premi Complex in Wangkai Konung Mamang today. Speaker Khamchan stated some individuals try to drag RSS into the recent Manipur University's crisis. He urged all not to pull in RSS in the current controversy over construction of a Ras Leela Hall inside Kangla. JNIM's director Dr. T.H. Bimo and RSS President B.B. Sarma were among those present in the event.
Strike the woman the wall RSS interpret RSS can everyone can mail legacy. Alagi Naran Hansu Kangagi Porta Sagi channels the discussion talk madam the RSS is the function really. I do RSS job RSS job means that when they throw in a palm but I have nothing to do. I RSS job kind of talk don't how in a palm masida delegate Oliva Pachara kind of young kite had over you may amsna. Samaj khaliba posi urgan dai ko ju nuai ne yaujabani and masi aina media gi thongda si kalingba issue amtaga dagi RSS samari leinan bi nuai basba.
Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur State has strongly condemned CPI Manipur State for charging BJP and RSS of playing political tactics with regards to Manipur University crisis. General Secretary of BJP Manipur State, K. Sarat Kumar, expressed the same during a press meet held at BJP office in Langthabal today. He termed the charge made by CPI Manipur State in local media as baseless and demanded proofs of the allegations. He maintained that all the issues pertaining to Manipur University lies in the hands of the Indian government and the university, and that BJP has no domain in it.
RSS का BJP का समझना RSS ने मसीदा खुद थिंजमने वाफम लेते RSS की कनागुम्बा में खत्म के कोई ने मसीदा पुसन्ना कोस्टन्ना तो बगी वाफम लेते RSS चुम्नगी फ्रंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में उजरी बात गुम्बा RSS तत्तन पन्बा BJP तत्तन पन्बा से मसी लेबाक मांग नबगी मसक वैबा गुम्बा वांग सांगनी मधु नांगी के नुहाइदना कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया में फमदा कोई अपील तौजरी.
Manipur's indigenous aromatic rice will now be available across the world through the joint venture of High Vision Consultants, Panchkula, Haryana, and farmers of the state. The aromatic rice will be sold under the brand name Chahau at the rate of 279 rupees per kg and 145 rupees for half a kg worldwide on Amazon, Flipkart, and other popular online marketing sites. Speaking in the brand launch held at Hotel Classic in North AOC today, provider of High Vision Consultant Sanjay Kumar Swami said the brand, which is dedicated to the farmers of the state, was launched to export quality aromatic rice with an aim to popularize the product as well as to enhance farmers' income. Taking part in the event, project coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Khaidem, stated that aromatic rice Chakhau producers of the state have been facing marketing inconveniences. He urged the Chakhau cultivators to offer high-quality certified seeds to maintain the quality of their produce. Imphal Municipal Corporation Mayor Laisang Lokeshwar, Imphal Municipal Cooperator Posambam Premila, Chairman of Apunba Organic Farmers Producer Company Limited Thobal KH Sarat, and many farmers attended the event.
Why our farmers have been facing problems for market is mainly due to inferior products. So for any type of technical support for production and marketing, we will be there to help these farmers. And one more precaution what the farmers have to take, or even the processing unit, is the seed is by default very sensitive to atmosphere weather. For that matter, it has to be properly dried, preferably up to the level of 12 degrees Celsius. Then only it has to be packed for marketing to other places outside Manipur. Otherwise, it gets deteriorated very fast. This is one precaution we have to take.
Manipur Department of Manipur University in a press release has notified that the entrance test for admission in Manipuri first semester for the academic session 2018-19 is scheduled on October 26 at 11 a.m. List of the eligible candidates will be displayed on the department's notice board on October 22. Admit cards for the test may be collected from the department during office hours from October 23 to 25. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the first ever state conclave on National SC/ST Hub to be held in Ras Bhavan tomorrow. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The first ever state conclave on National SC/ST Hub will be held at the Dabar Hall of Ras Bhavan tomorrow. The conclave is organized jointly by National Small Industries Corporation Limited and SC and ST legislatures and parliamentarians under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Governor Nasma Haftullah and Chief Minister Nongthammam Birent will preside the event. Speaking to media about the conclave at Imphal Hotel this afternoon, Director of Planning and Marketing National Small Industries Corporation Limited, New Delhi, P. Uday Kumar asserted that the conclave was organized to aware the SC and ST entrepreneurs of the state about National SC/ST Hub scheme and other government schemes as they are behind their counterparts in other states of India. He mentioned that National SC/ST Hub scheme launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started giving assistance to many SC and ST entrepreneurs.
The purpose of the conclave is mainly to create an awareness, to sensitize the SC/ST unemployed people as well as existing entrepreneurs that look, government is there with you and we are there to support you. What we are looking for is actually active participation of the SC/ST entrepreneurs, existing as well as aspiring entrepreneurs, plus we want the active participation of the state governments. We also active participation of the associations, because there are associations who are backing and who are identifying the hidden talents of SC/STs, and so that actually we'll be able to come out with more number of help and interventions. In fact, actually honestly speaking, actually in fact in some other states we are not even able to identify what are the requirements of the SC/ST entrepreneurs.
Chief Minister Nongthammam Birent has today inaugurated Kanchi Laihau Galvanized Products, a company that will manufacture various roofing sheets. Speaking in the event held at Langthabal Phumlo Local Kanchipur, Chief Minister assured his government will nourish the state's entrepreneurs for boosting the state's economy as well as to create employment opportunities. He assured of opening up marketing avenues for the goods to be produced by the company. He also disclosed that a policy is underway to curb being so dependent on outsiders for essential commodities available in the state.
Entrepreneurship aduga masa industry masa tawba khotpa mayam se khoi encourage tawi aduga masi government ngakna sungam da bani na sumba private tawroi mayam se masi khoi government na tangai phadana encourage tawum thoi even moigi marketing avenue government gi site gi mapan gi leiba khotpa tawbu sing ju khoi government na yaraga di local products sing sidagi leiba yana na gi phawbada khoi cabinet decision lawraga maram di khoi masen yokhon adraga di marketing adagi tawro sida product puthoga madugi quantity do khoi sida consumer later di yaro hejeri ko adu mago do khoi amna deeply khoi khanari.
Speaking in the event, industry partner Koizam Gopal stressed the need for developing industries for enhancing the state's economy. He drew the attention of the government to provide industry lands and to support aspiring entrepreneurs of the state.
Government appeal to me say, "Akhoi industry ki tausi harage industry lane amta identify tawdaba. Masi akhoi ki IVI in the village road adagi national highway state highway singsida kitang relaxation pibiba. Say 500 meter gumba 1000 meter gumba adu pibi ragadi akhoi local entrepreneurship or commercial activities tawning by youth singsina su masana unemployment youth kai gumba industry tawre brick fin tawre labuk ta tawre kana to labuk ki mayam su khoina ken to dina te ado ku su industry gi su khara khoi cha khore ji economy khara phan jar ga di industry da khara kana important pehaningi.
Manipur State Legal Service Authority Commission for Protection of Child Rights and Childline Bishnupur jointly organized a legal awareness program at Glory Children Home, Moirang today. Speaking in the program, chairperson of the MCPCR, Sumati Balaning Thosam, stated that the perpetrators of crimes against minors will get befitted punishment. She affirmed punishment under Juvenile Act for young boys committing crimes against women. Registrar High Court of Manipur, R.K. Memcha, Director Childline Bishnupur, L. Pisak, and Advocate T.H. Radhakishore attended the program. Application for the recruitment of lecturer in chemistry notified by State Education as Department by first-class MSc Chemistry degree holder was rejected. The applicant, Wahengbom Padmavati, completed her MSc Chemistry from Aligarh University, but AO rejected her application as her specialization is in an analytical branch not recognized by the department. Husband of the applicant, R.K. Pumyabahon, drew the attention of relevant authorities regarding the same.
are fulfilled with the beginning high. Ado tasengna kedogebu koi education is ta koi education director when library ba T.S. Kiran Kumar amasung magi khongloi singna MSc chemistry kaino na khangam dabas yam lai bak thibani aduna masi mari lena authority na yangjan biyo na hajeningi.
United People's Front UPF Manipur and Uyumpok GP United Club Organization in a separate press releases extended solidarity to United Committee Manipur UCM's public rally on October 31. People's Campaign for Resurgent Manipur observed its 7th anniversary at Hotel Imphal yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren alleged the previous government for bringing disparity between the hills and valley inhabitants. He expressed gladness that the gap is being gradually bridged by the present government. Biren asserted that the present government's Go to Hill and Go to Village missions have brought the government and the people together. He also assured of various new development programs for the hills and of a new Manipur after 10 years. Responding to public queries, Chief Minister Biren expressed disappointment over the handcuffing incident of a jailed MU professor while taking to a hospital for treatment.
Manipur kai Dumadia, Roy Highway, and of the Nana Public 6 and Natural Autonomous Council Caricari. Masi Matan, Carino, Lemina Buddha, Kainokara, Yanara, Yanara, they only send. But Karima boy didn't have to be. I must see state you have a Miami, we were put in them. I Miami, when you state like Miami, you have stakeholders in the opinion should do that.
The Rising Sun Club Tongsu Waikong Kongnang in a press release informed that the area under the club are prohibited from gambling except on the day of Diwali and impose a fine of 10,000 rupees to offenders. A workshop in relation to arts and Imphal International Arts Festival 2019 was held at Matai Lekol, Hengang constituency today. Two world-renowned artists from Switzerland, Baroque violin artist Regula Swabt and bass clarinet artist Kushian Dubius attended the workshop and gave resourceful insights of violin to young aspiring musicians. The artist expressed profound happiness on visiting the state as a part of Swiss Art Council Cultural Actions Program and for getting a chance to showcase their talents and interact with various artists of a creativity potential state. The event concluded with a jam session.
About a great meeting and experience and having fun together in listening, exchange.
We are on a cultural exchange program of the Swiss Arts Council, Pro Helvetia, and they suggested we should come and discover Manipur, and we are very happy that we have this possibility.
Now the sports news. DSA Kakching beat their opponent in the 30th Junior Boys Inter-District Football Tournament for Private Sport Academy Trophy. In a Group B league match of the tournament played at Kumantlam Park Artificial Turf Ground today, DSA Kakching beat Sadr Hills DSA 3-1. For the winners, Mohammad Nasrat, KH Razis and CH Sital scored 1 goal each in the 34th, 35th and 80th minutes of the match. The lone goal of Sadr Hills DSA was netted by Benjamin Luifeng in the 54th minute, while in the first double black match of Group A, Imphal West District Football Association player TH Rostermed scored 1 goal in the 8th minute, followed by another goal for Imphal East District Football Association by Waisanazawa in the 37th minute, bringing both the teams to 1-1 draw. 5 teams are participating in the tournament held under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. DSA Kakching will face DSA Bishnupur in the first league match, while Imphal West District Football Association will play Imphal East District Football Association in the double black match of Group A in the second league match on October 21. A football exhibition match was played between Kuki Student Organization More and Kuki Student Organization Cycle today. The exhibition match was held with an aim to enhance relations between the two organizations. KSO Cycle deferred KSO More 2-0. In the continuation of the exhibition match, Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee and More Driver Union also played a friendly football match. Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association in a press release informed that the 34th N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament 2018 will kick off on October 22. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Kampopi District hosts State Cabinet meeting today. Cabinet approves drafting of Manipur Lok Ayukta Bill 2018. Manipur Police celebrates 127th Rising Day. Chief Minister Biren urges police force not to trade moral values for money. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren inaugurates Kampopi Market Nute Kalhang today. Lays foundation stone for various other projects. Speaker Yumnam Khamchand clarifies Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh RSS has nothing to do with prevailing issues of Manipur. And Manipur's aromatic rice variety Chakhao now goes global under newly launched brand Chakhao.